Previously on Love and Crosses.
Yeah, for fraud. Oh, they be with it, titty. With a mere with the name Barber Shaw, son. And you say, be a marginal to move, but maybe more examine, said, oh, yeah, back on home. I say, yeah, dear, it is a or more meal.
Where now, babe? What's saying ya no, Cassa? Harry, what's saying ya no?
So one we are so much in your water. So one of you are so much in your. So what a fat. Me the mania call background who can respect us. But no be your call crack. I was so who he said. I be a damn yes, sir.
It's a what would I want?
Timam, so a small, we not call one.
Hey, Emma. So I read the wine and be.
To not call one.
Say a quine a bang, dear. And I may do mammy, now I wine and be. Shit! And I would do a baby if I say more money. Henry, I asked you a simple question and it demands a simple answer.
Oh, Secret Service Agent Lady Judith. Since when another detective a man with you? Oh, so sir, I need to know about her. Sebra, never should mean say we are being interrogated.
Do not provoke me, Henry. Henry. Me no na tifia enti anamo bia obetu any step I will be taking. I have to be aware of it.
So since when did I start to call you mommy? Auntie I may be also me catch up. Tell me if you want me to your Hannah and then I will cry to say what ban what two and yes so sir. Oh did you tell me?
I don't even have the precious time to argue with you. But just know this. Now, if free and neko, listen and listen very carefully. Say yeah, what's me do about Bethia without me consent, without my knowledge, you know. House choices never fear. I mean the kitchen, cooking, everything. Consider say, oh baby. It might look funny.
Ti Obana who say me na befi won keke na.
Henry, keke ma on. Do you want to kill me or what? Henry, what do Oba befi say near keke ma? Oh, I see. I know what you are up to. You want to kill me? I want to die young. Henry, me who any untimely death sake of you. Me say a free neko. Obetu chintensi. Obepra. A true be a wofia be albeye. Harry, do not try me. Do not try me.
Seriously, what the heck? Am I dreaming or what? No, seriously. Because me do baba auntie, do I want to kill you or what? No. Somebody we am na kakra. Well, I found out. What? Oh, me tenant so now I'm in the share flat. I say room never me dey no one me dey when you say
I don't like the way I'm not sharing. Is everything alright?
Oh, the Janon say sometimes my dear. Vibe nature then was at or anything.
Are you sure?
Oh yes. Don't forget it. Who is so you be no there I'm showing I say.
Let's go.
Because time let go. Hey yeah.
And I'm more yabo. And I'm like, me papa say, what's not the gay baby fear? Say a band. Oh, I'll call my Saturday. I'll go. And I'm watching again about catching Saturday or met now on 10 years, and free walk. Sir, but or catch on bounce way. What do you catch and do back at the catching? But then the man said, Saturday don't bet na me. So quite man coming from.
My flatmates know me.
No credit more, but
No
no, I'm not going on your monk.
oh, David, so no,
Don't worry, I'll come, okay?
I'm Baba.
Saturday, right?
Yes, I'm not sure.
I'll come. If you have a corner,
Never fail ya. What dear? Why? Yeah, fun. Why?
what's it? Okay, so
I'm sorry.
Good news, Sabu. Good news, that place. Share. Me papa ilenu. Nene nkasai. Wasu beba. Sa. Usuni msema fa prada. Sa. Nene mkanguwa. So plan. Hey. No. Abika wasu address mu. Hey. Asu chawo die. Hey. Small girl danger. Abom. Sharp. Ayandruda. What the young uncle told you? It's not a Thursday, it's not Friday, Saturday, no waba. Young turn to a prep when I saw a okay, young potas. Good afternoon. A drona, you do good drink, ma, you're no man, I had
hey, no, go to the mini detail.
Yes, Papa, the other now we pack or Cosaza. You may, Yanko, some good cigar, not the same. Tobacco.
And I'm going I'm fine. What is it? They're not snatching a job missing. I'm fine. It's a come on.
Judith.
What is it?
Listen, see. First of all, I just want to say that we are very sorry for everything that I've done to you. Frictions, they won't fall soon. The me I'm very Mr. Fachemi. Why?
Okay, fine.
Okay, Titi, Judith. Oh, look, mommy, I'm just trying to be a good Samaritan. What the mommy drop you junction so I'll be okay. Please.
You said you are sorry, right?
Yes, of course.
And I have accepted it. So what is it again?
Just prove me that you have accepted it. I insist that I take you to the junction at least, please. No. Hello.
If you insist.
Thank you.
Sorry for wasting your time, but I wanted to take this opportunity to say a very big thanks to you for giving me a ride this morning.
Oh, that is nothing. Thanks be to God.
I do appreciate it a lot.
Thank you for that too.
Okay, so I'm Judith, as you already know.
Oh, okay, a real introduction, right? Then I'm also Henry, as you do know too.
I'm so sorry for whatever has been happening in this house. Just forgive my manners. I'm so sorry.
As a matter of fact, I'm not perturbed about that. It's normal, you know. Sometimes people get to know themselves through that. It's not always that things are going to be smooth in the beginning. I'm from a crowd party or who need it. Maybe cool with that.
Am I forgiven?
Exactly, ma.
As well as my daughter.
She's mine too. Grass of grad ain't me financial.
I'm not in the right position to ask you this, but I think we need to know ourselves more. We need to know each other very well.
Sure, no problem. You can ask.
Okay. And you've been a single parent for how long?
For about 8 years.
8 good years.
Yes, of course.
But why? Sorry for that, if you are not ready to.
No problem. Just that it just cast my mind back to some memories I just don't like remembering. But you know, such is life. My daughter Sherry. I mean, the second Sherry is for my wife, my late wife. Her name was Sherry, and I lost her when she was giving birth to my daughter. And for the sake of the love I had for her, and not to want to forget her, I named Sherry after my late wife. It was not easy for me, but
I know how it feels. But I'm so sorry for that. May her perfect soul rest in peace.
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Oh.
Sure.
Sorry. So you mean your wife is late?
Yeah.
Okay, I now understand.
Yeah.
That is why Sherry is your everything. I can see how much you love your daughter.
Bet.
And trust me, you've been a good father.
Really?
Do not even think about that again.
Okay. Thank
You
you.
are a perfect father for your daughter. You mean like you serve your role as a father at the same time a mother?
Yeah, it hasn't been a smooth road, you know, very rough, but I'm trying.
God is in control. Everything will be fine.
Thank
And
you.
I'll be here to assist you as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so grateful.
That's my words.
I'm so grateful. You see, the way she speak goes straight to my soul. I don't know why.
That is how it is. You mean say, like single parenting, it's not easy at all. Yes, so it's normal. You won't take it so easy.
That just came from somebody who is a suspect. I mean, a suspect of single parenthood. You think I'm not going to ask about your husband?
I have an experience. That is why I'm saying all these things.
So
you
where
know,
is he?
my husband.
Abroad.
I have never in my life had a husband. Yes.
What do you mean by that?
You know, I used to shed tears whenever I'm telling people about my story. But trust me, now I'm so strong. I'm a strong woman now.
Don't tell me he's deceased.
Yes, he denied the pregnancy.
Oh,
Yeah.
of
Since
this
day one,
beautiful girl?
he has never even set his eyes on Abigail. My daughter doesn't know her father. And it has been a big blow to me. She has been always asking.
So you mean you've been parenting your only daughter since birth? I mean, since pregnancy till this day?
Yes.
Strength of a woman.
I stopped schooling because of this.
Just hold on. Just kind of dead.
Yeah, we will talk about it another time.
Sorry.
Oh, don't worry.
Sorry.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
Just.
I said earlier that I'm so strong.
Indeed.
That is why I'm encouraging you to be so strong. Yes.
I now understand why the lioness is so protective over the calf.